Today we're testing our Sentinel steam locomotive. Although it's been back in theory in service since the beginning of 2020, because of COVID we've not had much chance to do any testing with it. So today is the first time that we've been able to put it onto a passenger train and try it. It's also a learning curve for our drivers, because most of our present footplate crew have never been on the Sentinel before, so they've got to start afresh in learning about it. The testing showed up several problems, which is not unexpected with Sentinels. One of the problems that it has highlighted is that the piston rod gland on the driver's side is blowing quite badly. Sentinel's quite different from other locomotives, and everything is in the cab on this particular Sentinel, including the engine unit, so the blowing piston gland tends to fill the cab with steam. It becomes a bit like a sauna for the footplate crew. We're hoping that we'll be able to start using the Sentinel almost as soon as we start running services at the end of May. We still have a bit more testing to do on it first and get the crews accustomed to it.